Construction workers, a very important part of our society. They build buildings, skyscrapers, and even your local Walmart. And you may wonder, how did they even learn how to do all this stuff? You see, working as a construction worker, you gain a lot of skill. But even with all that skill, there's still some things you just can't do, like lifting something incredibly heavy. So it is our pleasure to announce the construction robot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lego Architect channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this guy right here, the construction robot. Now if you saw my previous video, you know that I built this guy right here, the police robot. And as you can tell, they are significantly different. One has much larger wheels, the other one has much smaller wheels, and a different selection of stuff. So today I'm going to be showing you how to build this one. Now this guy right here is a very, very strong robot. He can lift a ton of stuff, and he's great for helping in construction, which is, well, why he's a construction robot. But there's a lot of stuff to him. See, he has a little radio back here, a pickaxe, a little crane thingy here, and he can actually use his stuff due to his little clip hands. So, and a little saw here that you can use. So it's a bunch of stuff that I gave this guy. So let's get into actually building him. All right, so I have all the pieces ready. Let me give you an overhead view of all the pieces you'll need. So there you go. It's kind of a mess, but I was too lazy to organize it. So this side right here is for the head. So keep that in mind. All right, we're gonna start with the head. Now, if you saw the police robot video, you know that we also did the police head first, and it's basically the same design. So, but if you didn't see that video, then I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So, what you're gonna need is a 3x3 plate. Then you're gonna get one of these bricks, these 1x1 bricks with a stud on the side, but it's kind of in. It's kind of in like that, so you need 2 of those. Boop. And then you get 3 of these 1x2 bricks, so like that. Boom. Then this one you could just get a regular 1x1 brick, but I use this one. It's just for decoration, so you don't really need to add all this, but if you want, that's okay. Then you get 2 of these clear studs for eyes, just like that. And this next part, the hat, you're gonna want to get a 2x4 plate, flat, and then a 1x4 plate, and stack it just like that. Now this part is where it gets a little bit difficult. So what you're gonna need is a 1x2, put it right there, and then a 1x1, another 1x1, and another one, just like that. So it looks like a plus. Now there is some pieces that are actually a plus. You could use those, or you could use the 1x3 and just put 2 regular plates just like that. Next, you're gonna get 4 of these slopes. So put them like that. And then you're gonna get 4 more. Put them like this. Boom. So now you have something that kind of looks like a construction hat. Next, you're gonna get a 1x1 plate, flat, and then one of these that are kind of angled, kind of look like a pizza slice. You put them right there on the corner of the hat. There you go. Then you get a regular stud, a 1x1 stud, and then this little antenna piece or handle lever piece, whatever you want to call it, and put it right in the center of the hat. And there you have, oh, wait, before I forget, get this 2x2 rounded plate and put it right underneath these 4 squares, just like that. And now I can say you have your head. So we put that to the side. All right, next we're gonna move on to the body. So what we're gonna get is this 4x4 plate. And what we're gonna do is cover it all with blue or dark blue, if you have it. Like that. So once you have that, you get these bricks that are, they're 1x4s, and they have studs on the side, so you can attach stuff on the side. So we're gonna get 2 of those and put them right like that. So next, this you're gonna get these four of these 1x2s, and then put them right here. Remember to get 4 of them, so you can stack them up like this, and then on the opposite side like that. And then you get these bracket plates that I have 4 brackets, but it's a 1x2 on the top, so you could put it right there like that, so it's flush with the rest of the the studs. So it's just like that. Then you get a regular 2x2 plate, block brick, and then you put it right in the center. Okay, so once you have that, you're gonna get a regular 2x4 brick and stack it right there. Then you're gonna get a 1x4 and put it behind it right there like that. And next you're gonna get one of these bricks, these 1x4 bricks, but they have a hole on the side. The hole's not important, but this is one of those bricks that you use to shoot. Yeah, you know the ones I'm talking about, the ones where you put like a little stick in it and shoot it. And even in the instructions, it tells you not to shoot anybody, but you still do it anyways. Yeah, one of those. So you're gonna get one of those and put it right there. And the reason I have this one here is purely for design, just so it could give it like a cool robotic design look, since it has that effect. I thought it was really cool, so I just put it on there. You don't have to do it though. Anyways, next you're gonna get a 1x6 plate, put it right there, and another one there. This doesn't have to be like this orangey yellow. It could be any color you want, or just a simple orange that I did for the rest of the build, but you could do it however you like. Next, you're gonna get a 1x4 plate and put it right on top of that brick, and then you're gonna want to get one of these, put it right there, and then get a 1x1 bracket and another one, put it right there. Next, you're gonna want to get these bricks with holes on the side. They're Technic pieces. You put them right there, 2 of them on the side right there, and then get 2x4s, click them on top, just like that. And then get these plates. It's a 2x2, but it's one of them is angled, so you put them right there, 4 of them, like that. And then get a 2x4 plate and put it right on top. So your body's starting to get shape. Next, you're gonna put the body to the side, and then you're gonna get these 1x6 bricks that have 5 holes on the side. So what you're gonna do with these is get a 1x6, put it underneath, like so it looks like that, and then get your Technic pins with studs at the end of them. They look like this, and then put them right there, one here and one here, just like that. Then get a regular stud, put it like that, and then another stud, a yellow one, to make it to give it that construction worker effect. And then get one of these tiles that have a clip like that, and put it right there. Next, you get a 1x6 tile. It's a flat tile, so you put it right on top of like there. And then you get another one of those, and you put it right here on these little holes. You put them directly on the blue things, on the blue holes, so it fits like that, and it covers, you know, the side. And then for the one of the last pieces is a regular Technic pin, a black one, and then the last piece is this regular tile, and put it right there. That's just for design though, you don't have to put that. You make 2 of those, boop, 2 of them, and then you get your body back and you put them right here, boop and boop. So now your body has arms. Now it looks a little bit weird, but that's because we still need his belt with all his stuff. So get a regular 1x4 plate with it's just a flat plate. Put it on the side where your bricks with studs on the side were, and on the opposite side, so it looks like that. Next, you get one of these plates that have a clip on it, just like that. You get it and you put it right here like this. So it looks like that. And then you get another one. This one doesn't have a stud here, but you get a clippy plate and then you put it right there. And then a regular 1x1 tile, a flat tile right there. And then a 1x1 rounded flat tile like that. Repeat that for the other side, so you should get something like this. Next, you're gonna get these transparent 1x1 rounded tiles and put them right here on these brackets that we put earlier. So these act as safety lights. Next, you're gonna wanna get one of these. These are an interesting piece. It's a 2x4 that has these Technic pins on the side, but they're specifically made for wheels. We're gonna put that right here on the bottom of the body. So next, for the wheels, you're gonna wanna get these 4x14 size wheels. That's what it says here. Don't know if you can read it. Well, anyways, you put those on the side. So you get something like that. Next, you're gonna wanna get a 2x2 brick that is rounded and then put it right under here. Well, you don't need a rounded one, but I just put it for this. Next, you're gonna want to get this little wheel piece and put it right under here, so that way it can hold your robot guy. And next, we get this turntable piece, put it right on the top, and then put the head. Boop. So now he's done, but he's still missing his stuff. So let's give it to him. I gave him this little saw here, put it right here on his belt. And then I made him a little flashlight that he could use. Basically, it's just one of these bars with studs here on the sides. And then put one of these little studs, I guess. These little plates or brick, no. This little piece and put it right here on the end of it. And then get a regular stud and put it right at the end of the flashlight. Put it right here on his belt. Next, you're gonna want to turn him around, give him a pickaxe, if you have it, of course, and a radio, again, if you have it. So now he has all his stuff, but he's still missing one last thing, and that is his little crane here on the back, on his back. So what you're gonna get is these ratcheting pieces. You're gonna want to click them just like that. Just a 1x4 one and a 1x2 one, and then click it right there. Now the next piece is a very special piece. I'm gonna let you take a look at it. It has the ratcheting joint right here, but it also has this weird gap here, and this gap is very important because it's to hold a hook. So you put this little ball joint here and put it right there. Whoop, my bad. Right there. And you see these little studs here? I just put these blue transparent pieces for decoration, but you don't need to add them. But once you put those on, you can finally hook it on right here. And your construction robot is finally done. And he can help in a lot of ways. Just watch. He can lift heavy stuff. Wow, look at him go. He can break down old structures. And he can help you reach places you couldn't reach before. And don't be worried about this robot taking your job. No, it'll only make things better. Congratulations on making your new construction robot. Thank you for watching. Bye.